In this video, we're going to take a look at PyArrow list types. I'm using the GitHub repos data set in BigQuery, and we're going to look at the parent column, which here is shown as string repeated. It's actually an array or a list of strings. We'll see that when we go ahead and download this file. I'm using JSON this time. When we first load this data, we'll see that the column of interest, the parent column, which we saw in BigQuery, was a repeated array type. It just comes back as an object, right? So it couldn't really be inferred as a string. But yeah, we'll go ahead and convert this to a PyArrow list type. So we're using the pd.arrowd type as a wrapper, again, around pa.list, which itself needs to be parameterized with the type it contains, as in a string. Now that we have a string, we can look at it and even do things like grab the length of each element and even take the maximum length of any element. Now, with that out of the way, there's still other things you can do with the list accessor, like use indexing and slicing, and you can even flatten it, which will take each record and make it its own row.